Completing the setup on Cash App after signing up is essential for using its features effectively. Follow these steps to ensure your account is fully set up. Step 1. Verify your phone number. Open the Cash App and enter the phone number you used to sign up. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to verify your phone number. Step 2. Link your bank account. Navigate to the Banking tab in the app. Select Link Bank and follow the prompts to connect your bank account. You may need to provide your bank login credentials or account number and routing number. Step 3. Set up your Cash App card. To order a Cash App card, go to the Cash Card section. Tap Get Cash Card and follow the instructions to customize your card. You will need to enter your address for delivery. Step 4. Enable security features. For added security, go to the Profile section and enable features such as Touch ID or Face ID. You can also set up a PIN for transactions to protect your account. Step 5. Add funds to your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now that you have completed the setup, you can start using Cash App for transactions, payments, and more. Enjoy your experience.